Deep within a fiery volcano, tiny creatures called cryptosprites mined glowing gems. They sang as they worked, believing the gems held magical powers. One day, a curious sprite named Flick found a gem that whispered secrets of the world. Excited, Flick shared the secret with the others, hoping to gain fame. But the gem's magic faded, leaving only a lesson. True power lies in sharing knowledge, not hoarding it. The sprites learned to work together, realizing that unity was their greatest treasure.